Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Typeform to qualify prospects for LinkedIn outreach, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Typeform for qualifying prospects for LinkedIn outreach, start by logging into your Typeform account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your forms are displayed. Select the form you want to use for capturing information. Click on the Integrate tab located on the top menu of the form editing screen. In the Integrations list, search for LinkedIn and select it. You'll be prompted to connect your LinkedIn account to Typeform. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Typeform the necessary permissions. Ensure you allow Typeform to access your LinkedIn account for seamless integration. After the connection is established, return to the Integrations page. You will now see options to customize how the integration will work. Choose the settings that best suit your prospect qualification process. Map the fields from your Typeform to the corresponding fields in LinkedIn. This ensures the data captured by your Typeform is correctly categorized in your LinkedIn outreach. Once your settings are configured, save your changes. Test the integration to make sure everything is functioning as expected. Submit a sample response through your Typeform to verify that data populates in LinkedIn correctly. Monitor the results to ensure the qualification process meets your expectations. Adjust any settings as necessary for optimal performance. When satisfied, you're ready to start qualifying your prospects through Typeform for LinkedIn outreach. By following these steps, you'll enable efficient lead qualification and streamline your outreach efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.